add your milk, and then we're gonna add some oil, vanilla extract, and whisk everything together. In a different bowl, we're gonna add some plain flour, sugar, and some cocoa powder. Then I'm adding baking powder, and we're going to mix everything together until there are no lumps. Make sure you mix everything very nice and slow, and so everything is incorporated. Take your wet mixture and then add into your dry ingredients, and we're going to add a little bit at a time. Mix everything together and then add more milk. Mix everything again, and then just keep adding the milk until you're finished. You then might want to switch to a whisk to make sure there are no lumps in the mixture, and don't mix it too much. You just want to make sure ingredients come together. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Once you've done that, we're going to take 2 cake pans. We're going to spray them with some cooking oil around the edges and inside, and place them onto a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Then add your chocolate mixture into each pan. Make sure it's nice and even. If you did want to make them thinner, you can also add them into 4 sponge cake tins. And then we're going to bake these. We're going to bake these for about 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit, or until your cakes become nice and moist and the toothpick comes out clean. Once they're done, you want to leave them to cool down completely on the counter, and then take off your molds and then place them onto a cooling rack. And there you go, guys, your eggless chocolate sponges are done. They're very, very moist, very delicious. I'm gonna show you how it looks from the bottom. They're super flavorful and very, very yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to check out my next week's cake, it's gonna be a chocolate and salted caramel mousse cake using these eggless sponges, which are amazing.